No! That's not the rocket. No. This is the Screamer. It's called a Screamer. Yeah, this is a Baylands plane. I flew it at Bayside a couple times, but not very much. Oh man, the clouds are back in the way. Okay. Well, you don't have to wait for that long. Just wait till I get it trimmed. I just need to get it take off and get it trimmed.
You go first. I'll wait.
All right, shut up! God dang it! Why do I have kids with here? Ah! Yes, that was terrible.
What the heck? What the heck?
You didn't believe me, I told you.
My T-33 what the hell is that thing?
That was half throttle. Oh shit, I haven't flown this thing in so long, I can't see it.
What the hell is that thing?
Oh my god, I can't see it.
What the hell is that thing? That thing is actually quick, right?
It is. Do me a favor.
Yes?
Take my glasses for me.
I got you, right?
Okay, I can't see.
Ray, that thing is quick.
I told you it was. You guys don't believe me, I told you.
Can I get 2 minutes? Because it looks like a little doohickey little thing.
This thing hauls ass.
Can I get like 2 minutes before you go up?
Oh, and I just looked through the sun and I can't see shit. Oh, great.
Are you talking to me next? Can I get like 2 minutes before you go up? I'm just trying to get up my flights in before you know. Tragedy. Get all the flights in. That thing is quick.
I told you.
It's a quickie.
I told you.
We already established that.
And I wasn't exaggerating. I told you how quick it was.
That's true. Ray says something's quick, it's gotta be quick.
Little itty bitty baby.
I like how everyone's just getting their flights in.
Yeah, fuck, man. If he's coming, I gotta get some flights in.
Why is everyone like...
Take it off landing. Take it off landing.
Because you could be flying and said, do you mind if I come and fly with you? But he's already taxiing out.
He's already out on the runway.
Like,
It's not as bad as Robert though. He'll say taking off as soon as you say landing. Landing, take it off, landing. Oh god!
I lost my wheel!
Oh god, I was on the runway. Take it off. Whoa! Oh god, I can't see.
Oh really?
Jesus Christ.
Don't tell us that.
This is bad. I haven't flown something this small in so long.
It's a deadly combo.
Sheesh! Bang, 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 bang.
What the hell, Ray? I think it's so cool.
Ray, if you want to sell that thing,
Can I fly it?
I kind of want that, Ray. You trying to sell it?
Hell no. This is one of my favorite planes.
That little thing?
9,
That little thing?
7,
Do that thing.
How's the CG look, Dad?
4,
That's
Do
a
that thing.
6S, 4S 1600.
Are you landing?
5,
Yeah. I gotta hit the grass, so. Ain't got no privacy.
Don't hit yourself, Ray.
I'll try my best not to.
He's probably so surprised to see us go here. He's gonna get you right in the butt. Watch out, dude. Oh!
It's all good. It's all good.
Come on, Ray.
Ugh. Gotta bend the wing back. Yeah. Haven't flown it in so long.